As in the previous video, we just discussed about the flow control. From this video onwards, we will start implementing all the flow controls one by one. And particularly in this video, we are going to discuss if statement. Basically, a if statement will accept a parameter, or I should say any expression in the parenthesis which is just after that if, and inside this you will pass one condition that should return either 1 or 0, means the 0 will be false or any non-zero value will be considered as true. Generally in other programming languages we have the boolean data type such as true and false, but here we will just go for the ones and the zeros for the true and the false respectively. So here after that you can pass the delimiters. Those are the curly braces which we used to use for the void main also, or the main method, the curly braces, right? It is the delimiter. It will set the limit of the statements, means what all statements I want to put inside this, I will put them all inside the delimiters. If there is only one statement which you want to put inside this if condition, then you may remove these curly braces as well. So here, as you can see in the flow chart, if the given condition is true, then the conditional code, means this particular code will be executed, otherwise this statement will be terminated. So let's see practically how we can start working with this if statement.
So now here you can see there's a simple implementation of if statement in which first of all I have declared a variable num, and then later I ask a user to enter a value into that. If the number which is entered by user is even, then I will print number is even. And how I am checking that? Using the if statement. So right after the if keyword I have put the parenthesis inside which there is an expression num mod 2 is equal to 0. So as we have already covered the operators, here I have used two types of operator. One is the arithmetic and here it's the comparison, and we know that arithmetic operator works before than the comparison operator. So first of all, this num mod 2 will be calculated, in which the number will be divided by 2 and the remainder will be compared like whether it is 0 or not. So if you will enter any even number such as anything which is multiple by 2, then it will give you a 0, and as soon as this will return a non-zero value, means if the comparison is successful then it will return you a 1, and if it returns a 1 then this statement will get printed. So let's execute this, and here I'm going to enter a number such as 46. So here you can see number is even. Similarly, whenever you will execute that, you will have to enter something like 42. Again, number is even. But if you will enter any value which is not divisible by 2, for example 45, so in that particular case you will not get any message, because if the condition is true I have specified what is to be done, but in case the condition is false I haven't specified anything. So we'll see in the next video what to do if the condition is not satisfied.